Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I will give you an update of my hybrid trading journey. And yeah, yesterday I made profits. As you can see, the video from yesterday, it was 99 bucks, and then shortly after that I placed another sell trade, and this time it was the GBP out. As you can see, I also made a small loss, and this was due to a stupid mistake. I closed the trade myself, and then I re-entered, as you can see, after 3 minutes. And over here we see the order. So this was the trade, and it was a nice move to the downside. And again, the robot didn't had to intervene. It was just my trade, and like I said in the previous video, this is exactly how I would like to see this kind of trading, that I trade myself, and let's say 7 or 8 trades out of the 10 will hit TP or go into the right direction. And just a small percentage, let's say 10-20% of the trades, then my robot will help me out to make 1% profit, because that is what I'm aiming for. I can show you my fixed book as well. As you can see, almost 4% gain. We still have a low drawdown, and now I'm up 4%, about 4% in 14 days, 15 days. So that's really good. Profit factor, like I mentioned the last time, is even higher. And I did a little bit of research, and what is considered good? A profit factor of about 1.5 to 2 is considered great. So as you can see, mine is 6, so that is a lot. That is really a lot. And so now I entered another sell order, which is the odd New Zealand, and I'm in small drawdown, but we will see how that would work out. So that's the update. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.